Yes, Penelope, we do have analysis today for pairs. We have a lot of things to go on today. You know, we have the SMC main basic concepts to be reviewed today. The break of structure and the change of character. Now, these two things are very basics, very basics, but these are very important ones, and you should learn them by nature of them, or you can say thoroughly, so that you never make a mistakes in analyzing them. All right. So let's start the show. I think everybody is joining in. Hi, Dora, Alex, Ara, Maria, Lisa. Joe, what's up? Frank, Ray, love to hear you as well. Love to be with you guys. All right, so let's give it a couple of minutes. Let everybody join in. Good day, Jane. Emma, good day. It's lovely to see you all, This is a good time, In the morning time, we can get actually the London session running, and in the London session, a lot of movements we can also see. Hi, Reginald. So yeah, let's give a few more minutes. Let everybody join in. Let me change my position for you guys. All right. Okay, now I have changed my position. Okay, I'm more comfortable now. Perfect. Perfect. Do we have a big impact news coming this time? I mean, are you talking about the FOMC? Are you talking about the FOMC? Or are you talking about something else? Good, Hugo. What's up? Celeb. All right. So a lot of people have come in. Let's start with the news. And before the news can start, let's also analyze what's going to happen today. Today, the GDP for South Korea, not relevant. Japan chain store sales. Japan BOJ core CPI. Okay, core CPI is delayed, but it is important. Then we have Turkey, Indonesia, Germany, what? Climate index. Climate index not relevant, not that important. China, Hong Kong trade balance. This is important. China, Hong Kong trade balance is important. We'll wait for it. 14. What time is it? 13, 14. After 4 hours, 5 hours. Huh? Okay. Then we have the UK CBI business. Okay, there's nothing important today happening except for the momentum that we will be catching up in the charts and the trades that we will be analyzing and taking. All right. So what I'll do is let's start with the news first, ASAP, and along with the news, let's start. Let me share you the screen. No, not much impact for the news today, but we'll definitely get some good buy or sell, Mason. Yes, I did. I just traded. Actually, some trades are going on. Let me show you. I have a trade on gold. Gold, a very sniper entry we got. We got a very sniper entry. The trade is running. Okay. And yeah, this was the sniper entry exactly at 1955. We got the entry and the market boomed from that same place. This was the first trade which is running. And the second trade, which I also took in my real account, was this one. This one has been a tremendous trade. It's almost about to touch the target. But yeah, it's been. I mean, how many days it has been now? July 19, 2021, 22, 2024, 25. 6 days. 6 days and lot of pips in this trade. And a lot of scalping I have done in the meanwhile. Lot of scalping. This trade is pending, and I don't think so it will get executed anymore. I don't think so. Market has been consolidating a lot that place. So yeah, I've been trading, no doubt about that. It's good. It's good. Yeah, Ophelia. Trades are going good. So yeah, let's start with the news. A lot of things we have to discuss today. India rate cut, bets pushed to mid 2024 amid inflation jump. Don't tell me India is cutting the interest rates. Inflation is seen staying close to 6% in August in India as well before cooling, likely prompting India's rate setting panel to keep rates on hold for longer. The recent rise in inflation has prompted Indian investors to push back rate cut expectations by at least a quarter to the middle of 2024, with a sustained rise in the prices likely to prompt a further repricing, traders and analysts said on Monday. Surging fruit prices accelerated India's annual retail inflation rate in June to 4.81%, above the polled estimate of 4.58, snapping 4 months of easing. Okay, so India is having high interest rate, inflation right now, but they are trying to sustain without increasing the interest rates. This is what the news is. Nothing very special, nothing very uncommon. July 25th financial news. This should be important. Anybody from India here? Anybody? No? Nobody? Okay, top euro area economies flash recession warning signals. PMI show US economy may slump. Investors bet too much on a dovish Fed. Okay. Top euro area economics flash recession warning signals. Okay. I think yeah. Okay, one second. Okay. Okay, now the camera is back on. I had somebody. All right. So yeah, let's read the second one. Japan's financial ministry official says recent inflation and wage increases exceeded expectations. So the central bank may rise inflation estimates. Japan, huh? Central bank may rise in inflation. They may interest rates. Huh? Declare victory on inflation. Okay, there is no victory on inflation still, so there are chances of increasing of interest rates on the US dollar buys. PMI show the US economy may slump. Whoa, the PMI is not good for the US economy. Increasing the interest rates can only save their asses, and that's what they will do. Investors bet too much on a dovish Fed. They're wrong. What is the meaning of dovish? Do you guys know that? Dovish. Dovish means supporting discussion or other peaceful solutions in political relationship rather than the use of force. He is a dovish politician who was one of the signers of a model peace treaty. See, dovish actually means negative effects. Okay, and if something is dovish, then it means that the effects of that would become negative. So here, the investors are betting too much of dovish on dovish Feds. Too much of negative effects is gonna come because of the Feds. That's what the investors are saying. All right. Hi from Philippines. How are you? Yes, Deborah, we'll be trading. How does the UK economy compare to other countries? I mean, is this a news or what? It's been tough for a few years all around, but there are some areas in which UK might feel particularly shortchanged. Inflation. For a talk of lower inflation, it still means prices are a painful 7.9% higher in the UK than a year ago. In the Europe, that rate is 5.5%. It's even lower than in the US. Okay. Don't compare any country to any other economy, man. Everybody has its own, protocol of running an economy. So there's no point in comparing economies. Are the current heat waves evidence that climate change is speeding up? Really? Is it really heat waves going all over the world, or is it only in Gulf? Will the ECB slow down its interest rates hikes as eurozone inflation cools? ECB. Well, this is a question instead of a news. Will the ECB, slow down its interest rates? They will not slow down. They will stop once they see the US dollar also jumping up because they have to come in the comparison. Once the US index, US dollar index, or the Feds increase the US index interest rates, the euro goes down. Correct? You all know that, right? Dollar will go up and the euro will go down. Now, once the euro is going down, to sustain, they have to increase the interest rates to not go down more instead of consolidating or sustaining. So they will increase the interest rates now. This is what the market is doing right now. So the trading already I've shown you whatever is running in the market on my side. A lot of trades are running, no doubt. Dollar index sitting at 101.315. So dollar is only consolidating, nothing special is happening. Euro USD consolidating, GBP USD no movement. There's no movement as such I can see except AUD USD. I don't know why, but we'll see. We'll see. Gold is sitting at 1960. Okay, and then we have crude oil, no change. Brent, no change. Natural gas, 1.55% change. That is good. That is good. We need to see the natural gas chart for sure. All right. So now let me share you. Gold is in 1960 this time, yes. But history is repeating, huh? Gold prices have been this much before as well. No, I didn't took a trade already. Now we can check some trades. Now we can check some charts. There is, okay, I have to make it short. No problem. Mhm. Here we go. Now you guys can see, I think, on the screen, right? You guys can see, right? The charts? Yes. So now let's see how is the market doing. Let's see how the market is doing here on the starting from the dollar index. All right. And then I will start explaining you how the break of structure and the change of character can actually help us in understanding and taking a trade. All right. So we are sitting on the daily chart right now. This is the daily chart for dollar index. And dollar index is actually doing the same thing as we expected. It's coming down today, but I'm sure it's going to jump up a lot in, uh, in today's date or tomorrow's date. For that's for sure. Tomorrow's date it should start jumping up. Okay. And what else do we have? Dollar index clearly showing us that it's going to go up, but today's consolidation has made the other markets go a little positive. That's why you can see a little consolidation everywhere, right? And with this consolidation here, or a little red candle for today, I mean, let it continue. It doesn't prove gives anything. The movement is still uptrend. The movement is still very, very much uptrend. There's nothing in the dollar index to go down or anything like that. It's very bullish. All right, it's very, very bullish. Let's see what else we have. Crude oil. Crude oil. What are you doing? Crude oil is sitting at 78.94. And it has taken some very, very good support from the same place here. As I told you, there was a trade here which we took, TP1. This was the TP1, and this is the TP2. TP1 is already hit down. The order block is broken. This means that it's gonna go up to the TP2 now, very well. So crude oil we can expect to go at 82 or 83. Okay, clearly we can expect crude oil to jump in this area and cover it up. This much area. It will definitely cover this area up. All right. What else do we have? Let's check out the gold. Okay. Gold. What is gold doing on daily chart? Nothing specific. Gold took support from the order block and then gave us an institutional candle and then jumped up. Now, as I told you, I've taken a trade exactly at this place because I knew that once it will enter this area, this is an order block. It's going to start jumping up. Now, we need to see, we need to clarify it. Today's candle has been pretty bullish for gold, but it can reverse as well. If the dollar index reversed and started going up, then definitely we will see gold also moving down. This might go up later. Amanda, are you talking about gold or are you talking about DXY? Yeah, this might go up, and this gold might come down. Let's see. Let's see. I'm positive on gold right now. For short-term players, this is a very good candle which has boosted up. So I don't think gold will go down just like that. It's gonna go continue going up. It's gonna continue going up. Bitcoin daily chart following our way or not? Let us check the movement that we made. That it can take support either from 28,500 or it can take support from the second place. So both the places are very valid. Both the places are very valid, and I'm sure that among one of the places, it's gonna start jumping up on gold. Okay, Amanda, got it, got it, got it, got it. I'm sure it's gonna come here and take the support and then start shooting up. But there is a bearish order block here now. Huh? This bearish order block and this bearish order block. There is too much bearishness, man. If there is too much bearishness and one more order block comes here, a bearish one, then we will see gold coming at this order block support. You know, you get that? You get the movement, how the Bitcoin is coming down. Do you guys get it? How the Bitcoin is coming down? Can you guys see it? And why the Bitcoin can come down? The order block on the top green bar. That is the first order block which was bearish. And now it has made one more order block. Yes, with today's candle, this one. Let me mark it for you guys. This candle area is a bearish second order block. So much of bearishness, if it's coming from the institutions, then we can be very sure that nearby it will not consolidate and start moving up. It might come down on the second, it might come down on the second area and then start moving up. So, a lot of bearishness here, man. I have some doubts on gold now. A lot of doubts have started coming in. US 30, nothing happening in US 30, consolidating today. Today's candle is a tiny, tweeny candle, but it's pretty bullish. It's pretty bullish. Since long days now. It's pretty bullish. US 30, very, very bullish. Okay. I think some more consolidation today for US 30, nothing specific happening. Natural gas on the daily chart starting to jump up, but eventually it will come down. Take the help of this order block, and we will get this trade. It's a very pending trade which I've taken, but it's a fantastic trade. 1:6 RR, 1:6 RR. This trade is having, but definitely it will come down. Take the help of the trade, and then move up. So mark this trade in your charts as well. Once it comes down, if you grab the opportunity, if you got the opportunity, don't forget to take it. It will jump from here. From the range, I mean, from 2.5054, be alert. You might get an opportunity to long it. Euro JPY. What is Euro JPY doing actually? I don't like Euro JPY. JPY sometimes makes too much of momentum, because of which a lot of wrong things Euro does. Euro is climbing up. I mean, anytime the Japan can start increasing their interest rates, and this movement can start dumping down. So let's see. Let's see. I have to remove this movement here from the past. Okay, okay, okay. Where is the chart going? Come on, come here. Okay, enough. Euro USD. I mean, there is nothing. There was nothing in Euro JPY, guys. Be away from it for some days. Until and unless you don't see proper price action, be away from a chart. Hi, Myra. Okay, this trade is fantastically going down. It is covering up the fair value gap, and almost at the bottom, it should be ready to take a reversal up. And that is where we will close our trade. So right now, the trade is going very good. We got very good sniper entry with very small stop loss. All right. So Euro USD, there is nothing I want to say until it comes on this support, and then we should see some movement. Okay. GBP JPY. Okay, GBP JPY, I have given a trade yesterday. Okay. If you guys have not seen it, try to check it out under my profile. And, you might definitely find this trade very lucrative. It's very interesting trade. Now, GBP JPY is right now, consolidating in a range. Institution sitting on the top, institution sitting here. The range is very small. It's not pretty big, it's very small. It's only 1.39% range. So we might see some movements in the same range, right? So as I've made this movement, it should go up and then it should come down and then it should go up and then it should come down. So I've made a trade here. I've given a trade. You guys also mark it up 180.483. That's where I think the market is going to consolidate and start jumping up. So with this trade, it's a small trade, not a very big trade. I mean, 1:4 RR is there, but at least, right? So you guys can take this trade. It's a fantastic trade. Mark it up in your chart. And this long one that you're looking here, that is for future. I mean, in future it will come, not now. So just ignore this, but take this marks. Take your TP is almost at 183.15. Entry point is 180.44. And the stop loss is pretty sleek. It's 179.679, 0.4% stop loss. I mean, this is how you should trade. No need of 2%, 3%, 4%, 5% stop losses. No. Your trade should always be below 0.6%. Got it? In any chart, in any pair. Now, this also I'm going to teach how to make your trades smaller stop losses, how to take sniper entries and get stop losses which are very, very small so that you can risk also. I mean, if somebody is losing only $10 in the stop loss, he won't mind it risking for the strategy, correct? So, yeah, I mean, okay, British pound, GBP USD is going to come down for this support for sure and then shoot up because this support right now is broken, but there is the market is doing something here. But eventually it should come down. Eventually it should come down and then start jumping up. USD JPY. Oh, I think some noise is coming. Let me remove the noise. Okay, here we go. I think the noise is gone now. So now USD JPY. What is USD JPY doing? USD JPY has filled up the fair value gaps, but there is one more fair value gap on the top. It's gonna come on the top. Okay, it's going up. It's not going down anymore now because see, I'll show you something. This movement, ignore it. Okay. Now what has happened here? Price has started from here, made a high, then made a higher low. Correct. Then the prices made a new higher high and made a higher low. Then the prices went up again and made a new higher high, but this time they made a low. Correct. Now this low is almost very high from this. So there is liquidity here. Because of the liquidity which is available here, there is a confusion in the market. And what is the confusion? I'll tell you. This liquidity here, so this liquidity which is here, it has been grabbed to stop out all the traders who were having their stop losses here. Logical? Now, this has been made by the institutions so that all those people who were longing it on every support can get stop out here. But now the prices are moving up, and definitely they will reach here to cover up the fair value gap. And after that, they will definitely cover this. They will definitely break this as well. USD will go up sometime soon, and sometime soon in this order block. And once it reaches this order block, then only we can guess where the movement is gonna happen. There's a lot of confusion there in this chart right now. So it's best we skip it for some time. Let let the chart give a clear picture of itself, and then only we start doing anything on this. Going back to gold, let's understand gold and try to take a trade here. Okay, so gold right now jumped from this place. Eventually, there is a lot of buying here. And all right, I'm going to mark all the important places first so that you guys can also copy. This is a breaker. This means that the prices are above it. So it means that it will act as a support for the market, correct? We should also not forget that on a small time frame like 30 minutes, the chart here has a very big, what is this? Empty space, gap, fair value gap. Yes, the chart also has a very big fair value gap. Now, market has two choices. Correct, Geraldine. The market Aslam Channa, any best tools for market analysis? Yes, Brain. Brain is the best tool for market analysis. You try to use the CCI, it will help you, Aslam. Ash Day, I wonder what will be the best pair today. Gold is always the best, man. Much more understandable. This is a great tool to use. Use your brain, man. That's the best tool. Right, guys? Okay, so gold is having a breaker which will stop as a support the price to come down. And now, on the second hand, we have a magnet of fair value gap where the remaining or more institutions will be sitting to again buy gold at a cheaper price. Correct. If somebody is making a profit, buying at a cheaper price, you also are interested to buy at the same price and make profit, right? So the institutions they have, their interest here. So it clearly shows that if the support is going to break, if this breaker is not going to hold the prices of gold, then definitely the fair value gap will be filled, and then it will shoot up. Got it? Now let's also put Fibonacci in this to get where exactly the sentiments of the market are. The sentiments of the market are actually inside the fair value gap. Got it? So if the sentiments of the market are inside the fair value gaps, okay, then we need to see if the market is going down, it will definitely grab the whole area of the fair value and then it will shoot up. It's pretty bullish right now. Now, the daily chart, it's pretty bullish, but we do have good support right in. We are sitting in the support right now. This order block is a support because the next order block is almost in the base. This green color area. This is the next order block which I was able to find out. Correct. So for now, hmm, bearishness coming again on the support. I think maybe the dollar index is jumping up. What is dollar index doing? Let's see in 30 minutes. Dollar index coming down. That will definitely make the gold to shoot up. This will definitely make the goal to shoot up. And gold. Hmm. Gold is shooting up. No doubt. It's just trying to make a momentum. Let us see the CCI. What is the CCI showing us? It's coming down more in the channels, but it's not that pretty down in the chart in the CCI. And okay, this area, as you know, I've always told you, this candle becomes the order block. It pushed the market down. So if this order block is broken, every other order block in this range will be broken. All right, because it will prove that the market is not interested to go down. All right. So let's wait. Right now, the market looks pretty bearish for the short terms, but they're also sitting in an order block area here. Let's see. Let's see. Let's analyze gold for some time and then try to take a trade in it. Okay. Okay. When will I achieve financial independence? Oh my God. Financial independence is something you can always get, once you have learned a skill. Right now, you're learning a skill from me, through me. All right. So try to learn it in a proper way, and then definitely you'll have a financial independence. See, all the people whom you have seen who are skilled enough, they always have financial independence. They are never worried about the financials because they know that their skill can earn money for them any day they want. See how the order block, the breaker area is helping the market to shoot up. Let us go in a smaller time frame, more smaller time frame. The buying is trying to happen. There is bearishness in this green color and this green color. Pretty big bearish candles. Okay, the prices are trying to shoot. What perspective do you have? D157598845 due to market trend. I mean, as I showed you, see, it's going up, right? From the break, I took the support, and now it's on the order block. That's a bearish order block because it's on the top, and now we need to see that whether this bearish order block can work or not. This is not at all a trading time chart. This is not at all a trade taking opportunity right now, or a time, or a space, or a position right now. But it is a monitoring space. Once the order block on the top, green color, will be broken, it will become an opportunity for us to long this gold for some highs. That's how the money is made, man. If this order block is broken, literally none of this can handle. I will eventually take this as TP, the tip of the wick as the TP to shoot up. Everybody's asking when will I achieve financial independence? Man, you guys will achieve. I mean, follow all my streams. Don't miss any of my streams. If you have missed any of my streams, go to my profile, click on the live button. Live option is there. Check out all my stream recordings. All my streams are recorded on trading.live. And from trading.live, you can learn, man. A lot of other teachers are there. Try to view all the videos, and then the day when you like or understand from a tutor or from a mentor, try to watch them continuously. That's the way things are learned. When I was learning trading, I didn't had any mentor in the starting, and I had to go on YouTube and search here and there from people and everything. But I couldn't understand because not every teacher is suitable for everybody. All right, you need to find your base or your pace type of your style type of teacher, so that it becomes easy for you to understand. So the day when I got my teacher, who was teaching the way I wanted to understand as. I loved it. I loved it actually. So if you don't understand through me, you know, try to learn from other speakers as well. Try to grab every knowledge you can. And in the end, you can filter it in your own brain. Correct? Yes, do replay all the old videos of Solar. So what is happening? The bearish, see the momentum. It is definitely trying to break that. It has broken the order block. This is an opportunity to buy. Now this is an opportunity to buy. A new candle on 1 minute. This is an institutional candle. So definitely it's shooting up. Let this candle close. I mean, this is the resistance that we have. It's gonna shoot up. See, entry point was very simple as I told you. Once the order block is broken, enter into it blindly. This area and look at the momentum. Not only I'm thinking the way, even the chart and the market is thinking how I'm thinking. That once it is broken, shoot the market. Correct? Look at that momentum. Lovely momentum. Lovely, lovely, lovely momentum. Lovely momentum completely. Now let's see on 30 minutes what are the resistances we have. We don't have any resistances. If this place is broken, this top is broken, we have another long buying opportunity. Now let me filter this place. Okay. On 15 minutes we have another block there. And that will be a bearish one. Eventually it will go up, I think. It will go up for sure. Because it's showing that it's going up. And the next few candles would have the impact to shoot up. Got it? Got it. This helps me identify the potential sources of errors and ensure the reliability of my future trades. Okay, good. Good that you're learning this way. Right. So let's now analyze again the goal for some time because our target is what? Our target is that gold should come on 30 minutes, right? Somewhere near here. This is my target. This is the place where gold will have some bearishness, right? And let's look at the trade. No picture. Refresh IF. You will see the picture. This is where I feel the gold should come at 1965 and then eventually should shoot up. How's the daily candle? Daily candle looks pretty good. Pretty good. Pretty good. Let me check out the trade. How's it going? Okay, the trade is good. So far, so good. Good. And how is Euro USD doing? So this is also fine. Good. Let's again go on 5 minutes time frame. Analyze the momentum. How is it doing? Shooting up. It also means that the DXY has gone down. See, sudden movement down. That is why that pretty gold started jumping up. So many confluences we are catching again and again. At the same time. Don't you see any picture? Don't you guys see this the picture of the charts? Let me show you again. Then now can you see? Jamie. All right, so yeah, let's now talk about the break of structure and change of character. Okay. Now, how should I tell you? Okay, let me make a chart for you. A small chart here, a clean chart. Market going up, it's an uptrend. Okay. Okay, let us suppose this is the movement of of a chart. The candles are moving in this way. Okay. Now let's see what is what. This place is the low and this place is the high. Correct. In a bigger run, if we take the daily chart, let us suppose this is coming from the daily chart. This is structure. We have a low here again, and because it's much lower than the last low, like it is like this. It is much lower than the last low where the market started from. That is why we call it a lower low. Correct. But at the same time, on the long run, this area is broken. This area price range is not able to sustain or contain the prices, right? That's why this place has become a change of character point. This place has become a change of character point, right? What does the change of character helps us? The change of character is written like this, CHoCH. The change of character helps us to understand whenever the structure is in a trend, but the structure breaks for future new structures. Whenever a structure breaks, like here we see a new lower low is made and a change of character has happened. Now, because this is a long time frame, we don't take trades in long time frame, of course. That's very boring for us to analyze the trades daily, the same trade daily. But yeah, in smaller time frames, this is very, very, very useful because it helps us actually to understand when the market is changing its momentum. Now, when the market is changing its momentum, we never know, right? But we can always be confirmed when we have seen a change of character happening in the market. Sometimes you cannot find, couldn't find accurate COCH. Okay, okay. Let me show you. Check this out. Market is going up, right? It's going up, but this point is the only point which is the highest point, and from here the market started coming down, correct? But this place, example, this low got rejected and the market went more down than this area. That's why we call it change of character. Oh, sorry, change of character. Okay. Now, at the same time, what we are having is a break of structure. Where is the break of structure happening? Yes. The break of structure is happening whenever the structure which the market is making at present, the fresh structure, is breaking out again and again and again. Like this is a break of structure, then this is a break of structure in bearish momentum, and then this is the break of structure in bearish momentum. Okay, all these times the structure is getting broken. I mean, all these times the market would have made an opportunity that from the same place it would have went up like this, but it never did it. Correct, and that is why this line here shows us that the candle came down. Once the came down, the break of structure happened. Now, how many people understood the break of structure? Good, Stella understood. You get it somehow, Clementine. Ask me again. What didn't you understand? I will explain you again. No problem. Ask me the specific questions, Clementine, and I'll explain you that why it is a proper break of structure or a change of character and how it can help us never trade. Okay, perfect. Now what we can see is gold after going up is trying to make a bearish entry all time together towards down. Now that may be because the momentum has just started or the candle has just started getting formed up on a bigger time frame, right? Now see the momentum is again catching up. We are on 1 minute time frame right now. Mhm. I like scalping on 5 minutes because 5 minutes is not 1 minute, very small one, and 5 minutes is not very long one. It's in the middle. It's a very small, short time frame. So that's why it becomes very important to trade on 5 minutes if you're a scalper. Prices again shooting up. Are they shooting up along an hour block? Oh, yes, the market just made an hour block. But if the green candle closing within 16 seconds closed below this, then this order block is not that relevant or important. Now only 10 seconds left. Let's finish this candle within 10 seconds and then we will analyze where it's moving. Okay. The new candle same. A lot of bearishness I can see in the momentum, but eventually it will shoot up. See, in smaller time frame like 1 minute or 3 minutes or 5 minutes, don't be judgmental or biased. The prices are going in, they have broken a small time frame break of structure, and now the price should go down. No, never be that. You'll always get fooled or stopped out by the market. Always take the long time frame and then make your analysis. Okay. So I think yeah, guys, it has been fantastic. From the breaker to start shooting up. We were sitting here and I told you that this thing is gonna start shooting up, and it did. It did. So I'll catch you up again tomorrow morning, same time. Okay. Love you all. Thanks for coming. And don't forget to click on the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed till now. Don't forget to click on the clap button. That really motivates a lot. And all of you, don't forget to view the old videos, the recordings from the live section under my profile, and so that you guys can revise. Try also to go on the books option, live notes or books options under my profile. You will read a lot of books there on on everything. Every second topic is there, right? All right. So yeah, I mean, let's take a leave from now. I'll be taking a leave now because the market is also not having momentum and our time is also getting finished up. All right, guys. I'll see you tomorrow again. Take care. Love you all. Bye bye.